Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So today we are trying out the Gershion Polygel kit. They sent me this kit for free, so thank you so much, Gershion. This kit comes with dual forms, nail forms, 100 and 180 grit nail file, a brush with a spatula on one end and a brush on the other, the instructions, you can pause and read if you need to, base coat, top coat, and this kit comes with 6 colors, 3 color changing ones and 3 regular polygels. The first color is pink. It is this very sheer light pink color. The next is clear. This clear looks very clear. I mean, we all know Macart is the clearest polygel, but this looks pretty clear. The next color is white. It is just this regular bright white color. The first color changing polygel is this natural pink color. Right now it is this very milky white and you can honestly see it changing on the spatula. The next color is cover pink. Right now it is clear. Last color is rose and it is once again a milky white. And here are the colors look right now. I'm going to cure these for 30 seconds in my nail lamp, and here are the colors look after they have been cured. So let's get right into this set. Here are my natural nails. We are going to first start by removing the shine from the nails, and I'm just dusting off any of the dust. And I'm just taking some school glue and painting this on my nails. I'm using this as my peel off base coat. If you want your nails to last, do not use a peel off base coat, but I'm going to take these nails off, so I'm using a peel off base coat to make it easier for myself to take them off. I'm using full cover tips from Macart. I'm doing Femi Beauty's Lazy Girl method for this video. I'm just putting some top coat inside of the tip and adding some glitter using my fan brush. The Lazy Girl method from Femi Beauty is you basically put the polygel inside the full cover tip and then you stick the tip onto your nail. It's like a dual form, but you don't take off the tip. So I'm trying that out today. I just put some rose polygel into the tip with some white, and I'm using 100% acetone as my slip solution. I'm just patting that around and doing a really light random marble. There's really no plan to this marble. I just put 2 colors into the tip and just patted that around and blended them together. I was kind of afraid to do this method because I tried doing dual forms for a video a few days ago and it didn't turn out too well, so I was kind of not really wanting to do this method, but it really surprised me in the end. This method was so easy, and this set only took me an hour and a half, which is really good. If I did this set with regular tips, I would have been here for way longer, probably like 4 hours doing this set. But this only took me an hour and a half and it was so easy. I barely had to do any shaping because you're just putting polygel into the shaped tip and it's full cover. So after I have the nail blended the way I like, I'm putting some base coat onto my nail and curing that for 30 seconds. Then I'm putting on the tip without curing the polygel, pressing that down gently, not too hard because I don't want to squish out too much of the polygel. And I'm going to go in with my brush and clean around the edges. Here is how the nail looks after it has been cured, and I'm just going to move on and do the rest of my fingers. Adding some top coat into the tip, and then adding some glitter, and then curing that. Then I'm going in with some white polygel, some clear polygel, and then some of this natural pink color polygel. And I'm just swirling that and blending that around to create this marbled look. So guys, we hit 10,000 subscribers. Thank you all so much. I'm going to be doing a giveaway video very soon. I'm not sure if I want to post a whole separate giveaway video on Tuesday or just add the giveaway rules into my next video, which would be on Thursday. So I'm still debating that. I think I'm just going to post a separate video and post that tomorrow on Tuesday. And that will have all the rules for the giveaway and the directions and details. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Now, this color changing polygel, really nice. I tried Gershion in one of my other recent videos. I never tried Gershion Polygel before that, and it was really nice and really easy to work with. Really good consistency. It wasn't too runny and it wasn't too stiff. I'm trying Gershion again today in this video with this color changing polygel, and this polygel is really soft and really nice to work with, and the colors were really pretty. I really liked the natural pink and the rose color. That's why I chose them for this set. So far, this lazy girl method from Femi Beauty is working out really good. Sometimes, you know, the polygel runs and gets sticky on my fingers. It was really sticky, like my fingers were getting sticky, the brush was getting sticky, but that's just because I'm like really unorganized. It wasn't that bad. I didn't really mind it that much. And this method was really fast. I'm kind of like, I should have already been doing this method because it's so easy. And these are how the nails look after they have been cured, and I'm just going to clean up my area. And I'm taking my e-file, and on a really low speed, I am just removing the shine from the tips and gently, very gently going around the cuticle. You should be doing this with safety bit nail drill bit, but I don't have one of those. So I'm just using a sanding band, but I'm being really careful around my cuticles because I don't want to cut myself. And the speed is really low. After the nails have been filed and buffed, I'm just taking some top coat and putting some at the cuticle area of my ring finger and adding some hot pink gems. We're just doing really simple today with a little accent finger. Now I'm taking top coat and just putting top coat on all of the nails. I'm just taking my Dipped and Dusted Nails Cuticle Pen. Rubbing that in. And here are how the nails turned out. I think these nails turned out way better than I was expecting. I was honestly expecting a big mess. Because dual forms honestly are a big mess because you just have to get dual forms so right, and if you mess up one little thing, I feel like the whole thing is ruined. But this was so easy. I'm actually really happy that this method worked out for me because I don't know, doing dual forms kind of scarred me. here are the nails before the color change. This is them in their like clear and milky white colors. And here are how the nails look after the color change. Hot water makes the color this clear and milky white, and then cold water makes the nails the vibrant colors. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out the color changing Gershion Polygel kit on Amazon. The link will be in the description. And if you haven't tried Femi Beauty's Lazy Girl method, you definitely should. It is so easy. I did this set in an hour and a half when usually my nails would take me 4 hours or something crazy like that. But anyway, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm going to be posting the giveaway video with the rules and directions very soon, so keep a lookout for that video. Once again, thank you guys so much for 10,000 subscribers, and I will see you guys next time.